Hey friends, over 2 million crocodiles are farmed annually in America, supplying meat and leather to global markets. Have you ever wondered how technology shapes this unique industry? Join Trending Farm as this farming documentary explores the fascinating world of crocodile farming and harvest innovations. In the U.S., the crocodile farming industry has grown into a high-tech operation, producing over 2 million crocodiles annually for meat and luxury leather. According to the International Crocodilian Farmers Association, ICFA, globally, the trade is valued at over $1 billion, with countries like Australia, Thailand, and South Africa leading production alongside the U.S. I still remember my first visit to a crocodile farm. Witnessing thousands of these prehistoric creatures in a meticulously controlled environment left me both surprised and curious. This farming documentary explores how advanced technology and sustainable practices are shaping the future of crocodile farming worldwide. For centuries, crocodiles and alligators have been valued for their durable hides, with ancient civilizations using their skins for armor, clothing, and trade. By the 20th century, rising demand for premium leather in fashion and luxury goods, along with a growing market for exotic meat, fueled the expansion of large-scale crocodile farming in the United States. I remember when alligator hunting was the only way to make a living, recalls John Carter in farming documentary, a third-generation rancher. Now, with regulated farming, we've built a sustainable industry that supports local communities while preserving wild populations. Crocodiles are well adapted for farming due to their rapid growth, strong immune systems, and ability to thrive in controlled environments. They are cold-blooded reptiles, meaning their growth rate is directly influenced by temperature, a factor that farms carefully regulate. Female crocodiles lay 30 to 60 eggs per clutch, burying them in nests of mud and vegetation, where incubation temperature determines the hatchling sex. Warmer nests produce males, while cooler ones produce females. On farms in farming documentaries, incubators maintain precise conditions to optimize hatch rates and ensure a balanced population. Farms are designed to mimic the crocodile's natural habitat, balancing nature with controlled technology, says Dr. Sarah Mitchell, a wildlife biologist. Large enclosures feature heated water, shaded areas, and automated feeding systems to maintain ideal growth conditions. Inside a modern crocodile farm, precision and efficiency drive every aspect of the operation. Large-scale farms house tens of thousands of crocodiles in carefully designed enclosures that regulate temperature, water quality, and feeding schedules. According to the International Crocodilian Farmers Association, FAFA, optimal farming conditions can accelerate growth rates, allowing crocodiles to reach harvest size in 3 to 5 years, compared to over a decade in the wild. Farmers begin their day by monitoring water systems, inspecting enclosures, and ensuring automated feeding systems distribute the right portions of food. Every detail matters, from the pH balance of the water to the exact protein composition of their diet, explains Dr. Robert Hayes, a reptile farming specialist. With advanced tracking technology, farms monitor each crocodile's health, minimizing stress and maximizing yield. This farming documentary explores how science and sustainability intersect to make crocodile farming a thriving industry. Harvesting crocodiles is a highly regulated process that prioritizes animal welfare and product quality. Using humane stunning methods approved by the International Crocodilian Farmers Association, ICFA, workers ensure minimal stress before processing begins. Every step must be handled with precision, says Mark Reynolds, a farm supervisor with over 20 years of experience. A single mistake can reduce the value of a hide, so we follow strict protocols. After harvesting, the meat is processed and packaged for high-end markets. With global demand exceeding 1,500 tons annually due to its lean, high-protein content. Meanwhile, the skins undergo a rigorous 6-month tanning process, transforming raw hides into luxury leather worth $300 to $600 per piece, depending on grade. It takes years of skill to craft flawless crocodile leather, says Elena Martinez, a master tanner. This farming documentary reveals how precision and craftsmanship turn farmed crocodiles into premium products worldwide. Crocodile farming operates under ICFA-approved welfare standards, ensuring humane treatment from hatchling to harvest. Farms provide controlled environments that minimize stress, with optimal conditions improving survival rates to over 90%. We've invested in better housing, nutrition, and handling, says farm manager James Carter. Ethical farming is our top priority. Sustainability is key, with farms using biodegradable waste systems and solar-powered incubation to reduce their footprint. The industry is cutting carbon emissions while maintaining efficiency, explains Dr. Lisa Nguyen, an environmental scientist. Economically, crocodile farming supports over 1,000 jobs worldwide, contributing to a $1 billion global market. This industry changed my family's future, says entrepreneur Maria Lopez. This farming documentary explores how ethical farming, sustainability, and economic growth go hand in hand. You are seeing in this farming documentary, the Chester White pig is renowned for its docile temperament, adaptability, and exceptional mothering ability, making it a favorite among American farmers. Characterized by its solid white color, medium-sized frame, and high feed efficiency. This breed consistently produces high-quality pork with excellent marbling. Farmers often choose Chester Whites over other breeds due to their robust reproductive performance, with sows averaging 10 to 12 piglets per litter. According to the National Swine Registry, Chester White pigs contribute significantly to the U.S. pork industry, which generates over $20 billion annually. Chester White pig farms often feature free-range areas designed to support natural behaviors while ensuring welfare. These include outdoor paddocks with shaded zones, wallows for cooling, and indoor shelters for weather protection. Popular in Midwestern U.S. States like Iowa and Minnesota, raising 100 Chester Whites typically requires about 2 acres of land for grazing and facilities. Free-range systems lower feed costs as pigs forage, but skilled labor is essential for health management and biosecurity. According to the National Pork Board and many farming documentaries, these farms earn a 15 to 20% premium on pork, reflecting growing consumer demand for ethically raised and sustainably farmed products. Veterinary care is a cornerstone of raising healthy Chester white pigs, ensuring their well-being and farm productivity. In regular health checkups, vaccinations, and disease prevention protocols are essential to address common swine illnesses like respiratory diseases and gastrointestinal infections. Farms often employ biosecurity measures, such as controlled access and sanitation practices, to prevent the spread of diseases like African swine fever ASF and porcine epidemic diarrhea virus, PEDV. Veterinarians also play a vital role in developing tailored nutrition plans that support growth and reproductive health. According to industry reports in the farming documentary, proactive veterinary care can reduce mortality rates by up to 5%, significantly improving overall farm profitability and animal welfare. According to USDA guidelines, pigs must be transported in temperature-controlled vehicles with proper ventilation to reduce stress and ensure safety during transit. However, the National Pork Board reports that transportation stress can lead to losses of up to 1.6% of pigs annually, translating to millions of dollars in economic impact. Additionally, maintaining biosecurity during transport is paramount to prevent the spread of diseases like porcine epidemic diarrhea virus, PEDV, which has cost the U.S. pork industry over $1.8 billion in the past decade. This farming documentary explores innovative solutions farmers are adopting, from optimized vehicle designs to shorter transport times, to address these pressing issues and improve outcomes for both animals and producers. When you think of auctions, animals like cattle, horses, and sheep might come to mind. But Chester white pigs also have their own thriving auctions that are pivotal in the swine farming industry. These auctions, often featured in farming documentaries, provide a platform for breeders to showcase high-quality pigs with desirable genetics. The process involves farmers and buyers gathering at live or online events where animals are inspected, bid upon, and sold to the highest offer. According to the National Swine Registry, premium Chester white pigs can fetch upwards of $2,500 each at elite auctions, with average prices ranging from $300 to $800, depending on lineage and traits. In these events, boost genetic diversity, enhance herd productivity, and strengthen economic opportunities for pig farmers nationwide. The pork processing process in modern facilities begins with the arrival of pigs meeting strict health and weight standards, typically around 280 pounds, as outlined by USDA guidelines. Upon arrival, pigs are given time to rest in temperature-controlled holding areas designed to reduce stress and maintain quality. Processing facilities are divided into zones for inspection, cleaning, and preparation, ensuring compliance with hygiene and safety regulations. Gold standard practices focus on precision and efficiency, utilizing automated systems to maintain consistency, while silver tier operations emphasize affordability and scale for smaller markets. According to industry reports, efficient processing plants can yield up to 75% usable meat per pig, driving significant economic value across the supply chain.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.